What if I told you there are trees that bleed red, plants that smell like death, and living giants older than civilization? Today, we step into a world where nature's imagination outpaces our wildest dreams. These are living chronicles, masterpieces of evolution, each with a survival story that defies belief. I'm Ethan, and we're counting down nature's most extraordinary botanical creations. We'll travel from remote islands to dense rainforests, meeting life forms so perfectly adapted they seem otherworldly. From the desert's blood-bleeding dragon tree to the rainforest's psychedelic painted bark, prepare to be amazed. If you love discovering nature's secrets, hit like, share, and subscribe for more wonders every week. Now let's meet our first incredible tree. Our journey begins on Socotra, Yemen, home to the otherworldly dragon's blood tree. Its umbrella-shaped canopy captures moisture from sea mists, creating a cool microclimate beneath and giving its seedlings a fighting chance. When wounded, the tree bleeds a thick, crimson sap, dragon's blood, a natural antiseptic that seals wounds and deters insects. This resin has been prized for millennia, used as pigment, medicine, and varnish, traded along ancient routes. But today, the dragon's blood tree faces a changing climate and overgrazing, making regeneration difficult. These living fossils, once thriving, are now vulnerable, a stark reminder of nature's fragility. To see one is to witness a link to a primordial past. The dragon's blood tree is a symbol of perfect adaptation and profound fragility. It stands as a silent sentinel, bleeding red in a desperate act of survival. Its story is a lesson in the delicate balance that sustains life in the harshest places. Even the most resilient life forms are not immune to a rapidly changing world. The dragon's blood tree is more than a bizarre plant. It's a living legend. Let's move to our next marvel. Deep in the rainforests of Southeast Asia grows a tree that looks hand-painted, the rainbow eucalyptus. Its secret? The bark peels in patches year-round, revealing bright green beneath that ages into blues, purples, oranges, and maroons. Each trunk becomes a living, ever-changing mosaic. No two trees are ever the same. The rainbow eucalyptus is also a titan, growing up to 75 meters tall and shooting up nearly 10 feet a year. Its speed and beauty have made it valuable for paper production. But wild trees are rare outside their native habitat. To stand before one is to witness nature's artistry, so vivid it seems unreal. This tree is a living, breathing painting, a celebration of life in the jungle. Nature is the original artist, and the rainbow eucalyptus is its masterpiece. It's not just a tree, it's a constantly evolving work of art. Next, we meet a giant with roots in legend. On the African savannas and Madagascar's spiny forests stands the baobab, the legendary tree of life. Its swollen trunk stores up to 120,000 liters of water, allowing survival through brutal droughts. Baobabs provide food, shelter, and medicine for animals and people alike. Madagascar's avenue of the baobabs is lined with ancient giants, some over 800 years old. Recently, many of the oldest baobabs have died suddenly, likely due to climate change and severe drought. The very adaptation that made them resilient may not be enough in a hotter, drier world. The baobab is a symbol of endurance and community, but its fate warns us about the health of our planet. Losing these trees means losing entire ecosystems and centuries of history. The upside-down tree, once a source of life, now sends a desperate warning to the world. Their struggle is a call to action. Let's journey to a plant that stuns with both beauty and beastliness. Deep in Sumatra's rainforests blooms the infamous corpse flower, Amorphophallus titanum. Its massive inflorescence can reach 3 meters tall, but it blooms for just 24 to 36 hours, releasing a stench of rotting flesh. This foul aroma lures carrion beetles and flies, tricking them into pollinating the flower. The corpse flower invests a decade of energy for a single, fleeting bloom. Endangered by deforestation, its survival is now at risk. Fewer blooms mean fewer chances for pollination. It's a marvel of evolution. Beautiful, repulsive, rare, and fleeting. The corpse flower is a master of illusion, using the smell of death to create new life. Every bloom is a pungent reminder of nature's weirdest survival strategies. In Utah's Fish Lake National Forest stands Pando, A forest that's actually a single organism. 47,000 aspen stems, all genetically identical, are connected by one vast root system. Pando covers 106 acres and may be tens of thousands of years old, making it one of Earth's oldest and heaviest living things. Its secret is clonal reproduction. New stems rise as old ones die, granting practical immortality. But now, grazing animals eat new shoots before they mature, and the forest is aging without renewal. Conservationists are fencing off sections to protect young growth, but Pando's fate hangs in the balance. Even the world's oldest giants can be threatened by a broken cycle of renewal. Pando is a testament to life's resilience and its vulnerability. Its struggle is a warning. Even immortals need protection. Next, we visit a forest of true giants. In California's Sierra Nevada, the giant sequoias reign as the largest living things by volume. The General Sherman tree stands 83 meters tall and is over 2,500 years old. Sequoias depend on fire, their thick bark protects them, and fire opens their cones, clearing the way for new growth. Decades of fire suppression threaten their regeneration, but now, climate change-driven megafires pose an even greater risk. Recent intense fires have killed thousands of mature sequoias, trees that survived for millennia. Firefighters now wrap the most famous trees in fire-resistant blankets, a desperate measure to save them. The tree that mastered fire now faces a new kind it cannot withstand. The fate of the sequoias is a tragic turn in nature's epic story of survival. Their struggle is a symbol of the challenges facing our greatest natural wonders. Now, let's witness a slow-motion drama in the rainforest. In tropical rainforests, the strangler fig begins life as a tiny seed high in the canopy. It sends roots down to the ground, then encases its host tree in a woody lattice, slowly strangling it. The host dies, leaving a hollow, freestanding fig, a monument to a ruthless survival strategy. But the strangler fig is also a keystone species, providing shelter and year-round fruit for countless animals. Its hollow trunks become homes for bats, birds, and reptiles, supporting the entire ecosystem. Born as a killer, the fig becomes a king, sustaining life where it once destroyed. The strangler fig is a pillar of its community, a killer that creates an oasis of life. Its story is a reminder that even the most ruthless strategies can nurture new beginnings. In the rainforest, death and life are intertwined. Let's reflect on what these wonders teach us. From water-hoarding baobabs to fire-loving sequoias, each botanical wonder shows us life's spectacular creativity. They're living libraries of evolutionary wisdom, shaping our world and sustaining life. But as we've seen, these ancient beings face new threats: climate change, habitat loss, and broken cycles. Their struggles are warnings about the health of our planet. If you were inspired, let us know in the comments, share this video, and subscribe for more wonders every week. Stay curious, protect our natural treasures, and join us on the next